How to check harmful app in Android. Hey guys, in this short tutorial, I will show you how to check for harmful apps on your Android device. With the increasing number of apps available on the Google Play Store, it is essential to ensure that you are only downloading and using safe and secure application. To get started, click on Settings. Here you need to scroll down. Then you need to click on Security. Here you will see an option of Google Play Protect. Click on it. Once you are on Google Play Protect page, now you have the ability to scan for harmful apps. So go ahead and tap on the scan button. This is exactly how you can check for harmful apps on your Android device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any question about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.